And for more on this, Manizeh Bano joins us from Islamabad. She's the executive director of Sahil, an NGO that works for child protection. Great to speak to you on the News Hour. First of all, 2 years. This is 2 years after the death of little Zainab. How significant is this step?
You know, I'd like to correct you. This is not our only or our first law on child sexual abuse. We have had laws all along, and they have been improved, in fact, over the years. But this is another law because it is specific to quick police action for missing children. Because what was felt very strongly at the time after Zainab's sad case was that there is not perhaps quick enough action for missing children, because what happens is, and it's not just the authorities, but even parents think, okay, my child might be here or there, so they spend some time. So it's really to make people report immediately and for police to take action immediately. Otherwise, we already have some excellent laws against sexual abuse of children.
And so there is an agency, I understand, that is going to respond more quickly. How confident are you that, that it will work efficiently?
Well, it depends now how well it's implemented, because an agency is all right, that can happen, but how well they are connected, how well they have made their rapport building with the police in all the various areas, that will depend on now how well it is done.
And I understand there are about 10 cases of child abuse reported every day in Pakistan. Will this new law be sufficient, and can police work with this amount of cases? No, we have, as I told you, many other laws already in place, and this is just one more which will further strengthen sort of protection of children. But yes, we are the ones who give these statistics on child abuse and abduction and missing children. And this year, for instance, it's 8. We are not sure, the 8 children a day. There have been less reporting now, we are not sure, but could it be a good effect of the fact that because this case has been highlighted, people are becoming more cautious and they are taking steps to help protect their children. So there is a difference, yeah, there will always be. So just for people who aren't very familiar with Pakistan, tell us, what the situation is with regards to child abuse in the country. How prevalent is it?
Yeah. All right. Yeah, we do have lots of issues. There's no question about that. The government has taken steps also. They have protection centers, their police training has been done, but perhaps it has not been done widespread enough. And we are a vast country and we have a huge population, and getting down to every single household or every single area for awareness raising, for informing, and then about the laws and getting people, and then of course making police stations more child friendly. We are talking and proposing that there should be child friendly desks, that there should be child friendly courts, and these things are slowly coming about. So all that is going to give children better protection. A lot of awareness is being done. In fact, the Council of Islamic Ideology has also put out a wonderful document on what child protection should be all about, and it really encompasses everything like awareness, good mechanisms for reporting and quick decision of cases, and a lot of work and thought is going into this. So we are hoping it will improve. What I think we have suffered from is perhaps because we have a lot of illiteracy, and also that we have not been able to perhaps deal with the poverty situation where children are out on streets at risk.
or in workplaces at risk. And that also is being looked at. I think now there's a lot of gearing up to really trying to make this a very positive protection system for the children in Pakistan.
Manizeh Bano, joining us from Islamabad, thank you very much indeed for your time.